Using the materials prepared from the cutting list, assess all the surfaces for defects before marking the face side and edge on each piece. Lay all the components on the workshop rod with the face edges facing towards each other to demonstrate the assembly of the casement. Lay one stile over the workshop rod and transfer the positions of the mortises onto the face edge of the timber. Square the positions of the mortises across the face edges. Reposition the same stile on the workshop rod and transfer the positions of the haunches onto the face edge of the timber. Square the positions of the haunches across the face of the stile. Continue to square the positions of the mortises required for the top and bottom rails around the stile. Avoid drawing lines across the entire surface of the sides that do not require it, as this may lead to confusion. The haunched mortise and tenon joints will require wedging together during the final stages of assembly. The wedge room required either side of the mortises should also be marked at this stage. Place the two stiles together as a pair with the face sides meeting to transfer the position of the joints. Continue to transfer the pencil marks around the timber to form a pair of stiles. Place the top rail on the workshop rod and repeat the process used to transfer the setting out of the joints onto the surfaces of the timber. The same method should also be used to mark out the bottom rail. Adjust a mortise gauge to the width of the chisel to be used to cut the joints. Mark the depth of the rebates on the edge of the stile. Whilst ensuring the stock of the mortise gauge is against the face side of the timber, adjust the setting to suit the depth of the rebate. Use the mortise gauge to mark the positions of the mortises on each stile. It's important that the mortise gauge is used from the face side throughout the process to ensure the joints align correctly. The same method of using the mortise gauge can be applied to marking out the tenons each end of the top and bottom rails to complete the marking out of the casement.